Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today just quickly I'm gonna provide you some of the very important information for your upcoming exam preparation. So if you want to prepare under the guidance of top educators and you don't want to miss many important courses by the top educators, then this video will be helpful for you. And in this video you will be getting the many important points and you will be getting the information related to your exam preparation. So guys, tomorrow on 4th August, many new courses are going to start on Unacademy Plus. If you want to attend the regular live classes by the top educators and you don't want to miss these courses and the classes by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and even whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen. By using and by applying this referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And guys, even right now an offer is going on Unacademy Plus subscription. So if you will be taking the 6-month subscription, you will get the 2 months extra. If you will be taking the 12-month subscription, you will get the 2 months extra. And by using the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount as well. This offer is valid from 3rd August to 11th August. So if you will be taking the subscription in this duration, you will be getting this offer too. Okay. Now another important thing, you can see there are going to be many important courses which will be starting tomorrow. So if you want to join the live classes of all these important courses, then you can take the subscription today. There we are going to have the courses starting from tomorrow, from nuclear and elementary particle physics, quantum mechanics, electrodynamics, electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, then thermodynamics and statistical physics, practice course on physical science through PYQs, and classical mechanics course. But along with these courses, many other courses will even be there. I have only mentioned the courses here which are gonna start from 4th August. As you can see, even below those course names, the starting date has even been mentioned. So this is how, if you will be taking the subscription today, you will be able to attend the live classes of all these important courses by the top educators, and which will surely help you to take your preparation to a very good level. And this is how you can be more confident about your exam preparation. This is how you will be ready for your upcoming exam too. Done. And guys, since right now you are gonna have enough time to prepare for your upcoming exam, so if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators, you want to attend the regular live classes by the top educators, so this is gonna be a good time to take the subscription, because you will even be getting the offer if you will take the subscription along with the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount, which you will be getting after using and applying the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. One more thing guys, that you can write everything in the capital letters as it has been mentioned here, as well as it has been mentioned here. So by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now I'm just quickly going to provide you another information that is related to the spatial classes. So guys, you can even join my spatial classes in Unacademy Learning app. And to join those spatial classes, what you need to do, you can download the Unacademy Learning app and you can follow me there. You will search Anjali Arora, okay, and you will see my profile. There you can follow me and you can start attending the spatial classes which I will conduct. So you will get the notification, and even you can check out my previous spatial classes, okay, if you want to see them, if you want to watch them. So this is how you will be able to cover up many important sessions too. So what you need to do for that, download the Unacademy Learning app, follow me there, and that's how don't miss my spatial classes which I will be conducting there. And on the screen you can see the features of the spatial classes which will help you to learn a lot of things and to get ready for your exam too. Even guys, to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, what you need to do, let me just tell you about the steps you have to take. So you can download the Unacademy Learning app. There you can select your goal, which will be CSIR UGC NET, and then you can proceed to take the subscription. Then you will get a place to write the referral code. There you can write this referral code, and this is how you will be like, that is Anjali Arora. By applying this referral code in front of that space, apply will be written there. So by applying the referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount at the same time. And in this duration, if you will be taking the subscription, for your 6 month subscription you will get 2 months extra or free, and with the 12 months you will be getting the 2 months free as well. Another important thing, guys, if you will be searching Unacademy Plus on Google, then also you will be able to proceed further to take the subscription. And this is how for different duration there will be a different subscription amount which will be visible to you at the same time when you will proceed to take the subscription. So guys, I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you want to join the live classes of all these important courses along with the other courses, then you can take the subscription and start your preparation now. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.